With so much free technology out there, I totally feel you on deciding if paying for a foreign language program like TalkBox.Mom is worth it over just using a free app. What are the benefits of using a free app? Well, I don't know exactly, other than it's free. The problem that I find with using free apps is that sometimes there are potentially inappropriate advertisements in order to pay for that free app that my kids are watching that I don't know about because I'm not looking over their shoulder while they're using the app. Also, I don't know exactly what content or how they're choosing to teach kids in the app because I don't have anything to go off of other than going through the program. What I like about TalkBox.Mom is they have an awesome app that we can use at any day, any time of the week that we want to use it, but also it comes with charts. So immediately I can look at everything that's going to be taught and we can find it in the app. So I kind of have a quick guide to know what's coming up. Also, as a homeschooling mom, I kind of like to plan my day and my weeks and kind of a month of like what's going on over the next month. With an online app, I really don't know what's coming up next, but with TalkBox.Mom, I do, and I can plan accordingly, and I can make it more of an immersive program by knowing that this month we're talking about food, and I can buy certain foods at the grocery store that we're going to use as we talk about it in that foreign language. So with the free app, it may be free, but the benefits are quite limited. Also, I allow my kids to play video games and all that other stuff. I just don't find it necessary to also include yet another school subject online where they're in front of a screen when there's so many other programs out there that are great for screen time. So, if you want more information about TalkBox.Mom, click the link below.